Hello everyone, I hope you're all hale and healthy. Today I'll be discussing with you some must-haves for a modular kitchen. Number 1. Efficient storage. A modular kitchen is all about maximizing storage space while maintaining a sleek and streamlined look. Some must-haves for efficient storage include tall units. Floor-to-ceiling storage units that provide ample space for storing cookware, dinnerware, and other kitchen essentials. Consider units with adjustable shelves, drawers, and cabinets to maximize storage. Drawer organizers. Customizable drawer organizers that help keep utensils, spices, and other kitchen tools organized and easily accessible. Look for organizers with separate compartments, dividers, and inserts to maximize storage. Pull-out pantries. Space-saving pantries can be pulled out to reveal stored food items, keeping them organized and within reach. Consider pantries with adjustable shelves, baskets, and drawers to customize your storage. Corner solutions. Innovative storage solutions for corner spaces such as carousel units, swing-out pantries, or blind corner cabinets. Overhead storage. Overhead storage units such as wall-mounted cabinets or shelves to store infrequently used items such as special occasion dishes or cookware. Number 2. Smart countertops. Countertops are a crucial element of modular kitchen, providing a functional workspace for food preparation. Some must-haves for small countertops include durable materials. Countertops made from durable materials like quartz, granite, or stainless steel that can withstand the rigors of daily use. Built-in appliances. Integrated appliances like sink, cooktop, and microwave that save space and create a seamless look. Wire management. Built-in wire management system that keeps countertops clutter-free and organized. Waterfall edges. Waterfall edges that create a sleek, continuous look between the countertops and cabinets. Backsplash integration. Integrated backsplashes that protect wall from splashes and spills while adding visual interest to the kitchen. Number 3. Innovative lighting. Lighting plays a critical role in a modular kitchen, providing both functional and ambient illumination. Some must-haves for innovative lighting include LED lighting. Energy-efficient LED lighting that provides bright task-oriented lighting for cooking and food preparation. Under-cabinet lighting. Hidden lighting strips that illuminate countertops and reduce shadows, making food preparation easier and safer. Dimmable lighting. Adjustable lighting systems that allow you to customize the level of illumination to suit your needs. Color changing lighting. Color changing lighting systems that allow you to adjust the color and temperature of the kitchen. This was part 1 of the video must-haves for modular kitchen. Comment down below if you'd like to see a part 2. Like and don't forget to subscribe.